Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use your graphics card for Minecraft. First, confirm your system has a dedicated graphics card, not just integrated graphics. Knowing your card's model, like an NVIDIA GeForce RTX or an AMD Radeon RX series, is crucial for the next steps. Always connect your display cable, whether HDMI or DisplayPort, directly into the graphics card's ports on the back of your computer for optimal performance. This ensures your powerful card is actively rendering your game. Keeping your graphics drivers up to date is paramount for smooth gameplay. Visit NVIDIA or AMD's official websites to download the newest drivers for your specific card model. During installation, select a Clean Install option to remove old files and prevent conflicts. Afterward, open your graphics control panel and locate Minecraft. Set its power management mode to prefer maximum performance to ensure your card always runs at its full potential while gaming. Within Minecraft itself, several video settings can significantly impact performance. Start by adjusting your render distance. A setting of 8 to 12 chunks is often a good balance. Change graphics from fancy to fast and reduce or disable smooth lighting and clouds for noticeable frame rate improvements. For even more control and the ability to use shaders, consider installing Optifine, a popular mod that offers extensive optimization features and customizability. Once optimized, you can explore advanced options like installing shaders or high-resolution resource packs to transform Minecraft's visuals. Always monitor your graphics card's temperature and usage with tools like MSI Afterburner to prevent overheating. Ensure your power supply unit meets the wattage requirements of your graphics card and CPU. If you encounter low frame rates, check for demanding background applications and verify your Minecraft game files for corruption.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.